Good morning and welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can recover your AOL mail account. So AOL Mail is a free web-based email service provided by Verizon company. So just like Gmail is owned by Google, Outlook is owned by Microsoft, AOL Mail is owned by Verizon Communication. Well, we don't need to know about that. I just wanted to give you guys some basic detail of what AOL Mail is. Well, this video's main purpose is to help you guys recover a AOL Mail account if you forgot the password of your AOL Mail. So let's get into the straight point of how you guys can do that. So without any further ado, just get into the point, alright? Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step everybody, alright? And after doing that, let's move on. So first step, you want to search for AOL Mail and click on AOL Mail. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of AOL Mail. From over here, you can log in into your account or create yourself an account by clicking on create an account. But we already have an account, we just forgot the password of our account. So first I'm going to enter the username of my account over here. So after you enter the username of your account as well, you need to click on next. Click on next, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. Now this is the part where we are confused. We don't remember the password of our account. So I'm just going to click on forget password. You guys also do that. And over here, click on yes, send me a code. And then it's going to send you a verification code on your phone number, whichever phone number you linked when you created your AOL Mail account. Once you receive the code, you want to type the code over here. So I'm going to type my code over here. You also watch your SMS and type the code sent by AOL Mail to you guys over here. So I'm typing the code on my screen. After typing the code, you want to click on verify. Once you click on verify, on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter your new password. After you enter your new password and then you click on continue, on the next step, your password will be changed. So that's how you guys can change your password of your AOL Mail account if you guys forgot it. It is also known as how you guys can recover your AOL Mail as well. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.